The power of the book is in its simplicity in explaining through a family memoir how the 7 basic human elements of life are interrelated, how habits can be improved and changed, and how with consistency and direction you can design your own good life. The book is divided into 5 sections. Section 1 shares some key events in my family and farm life. Section 2 contains the key events in the development of the Calanna Pharmacy Group and my involvement in community service. Section 3 is about understanding Mario and why I have the values, beliefs and mindset which underpin my life. Section 4 discusses the development of an essential purpose and includes topics of leadership, its influence through service with character, choices, the compound effect, and how habits are formed using the Hairy Harry character. Section 5 brings together all the 7 elements of the whole health wellness wheel, the formula to design a good life: family, service, servant leadership and character, financial security, faith which relates to legacy, your dream, the essence of love, Jesus the teacher, and emotional health which relates to happiness, giving, sobriety and peace, and physical health, especially gut health and nutrition. The conclusion challenges you, the reader, to design a good life. It emphasizes that success is peace of mind attained only through the satisfaction in knowing you made the choice to do the best of which you are capable. It emphasizes that it takes continual hard work, discomfort and disruption to achieve a good life. It shows that your success is measured not by what you have, what you do or what you accumulate, but by who you become. It leaves you to ponder that life is a choice between feeding the good wolf or the bad wolf, a choice between wishing it was easier or wishing you were better, a choice between appreciation or expectation, a choice of mindset to be above the line or below the line, a choice to love or not to love, a choice between designing your own good life or having others design it for you. I hope you take the time to read Design a Good Life.